Shaitanir Rajim, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, once again with another exciting episode of Ramzan Quiz Wiz 2024 on Toronto 360 TV. I want to thank all my sponsors who are really helping us to bring this exciting programs of Ramzan Quiz Wiz to our viewers and audience throughout the Western world. This program is watching all the North America, all the Europe, and the Australia as well. So I think that a lot of really motivation and appreciations are coming throughout the world after this program, because this is the only program at the moment in the world you can watch any television, any Pakistani even television. You not find such a beautiful programs all over the world. And people are saying that we are bringing knowledge to our kids who are living in the western part of the world, because this program is actually make for the few children who are living in the western part of the world. Because I mentioned earlier as well, in our schools there is no Islamiyat class, there is no Islamic history class. So we have to work hard really to teach our children Islamic history and the Islamiyat and about the Quran. So this year we are bringing the 7th chapter of the Quran in our question answer, as well as the Seerah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the heroes of Islam, and Palestine is our special subject of this year. And today's match, we have a very special team. As I mentioned you, this year, this whole program is Ramzan Quiz Wiz is dedicated to the pupils of Palestine. So we have today, the match is Gaza Ghazis, which are sponsored by Panam Blinds. Hey Gaza Ghazis, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we have another exciting team, that is Cambridge Companions, which are sponsored by Dean and Associate Accounting. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah, nice voice. So Ibrahim, you want to start something?
I think I'll start with the Cambridge Companions.
Okay, start with Cambridge Companion in the first round. As everybody know that this is the routine practice that we have to ask the two questions in the pair. So which pairs you want to ask the question?
I think I'll start with Sabiya and Zakiya. The first question of the day is, this life is a delight, and the best of its delight is a righteous wife. Who narrated this? A. Donald Trump, B. Malcolm X, C. Prophet Isa, or D. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
D. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
D. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that's what the truly Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned is that. Because if you have a righteous wife, really your life is like a paradise at home. Right? And if you don't have the righteous wife, then there's a life is like a hell in the houses, right? So is in this society where we are living is very important that both man and woman, they both have to be righteous as well. It's not like that wife is righteous but man don't want to be righteous, then the life of the wife become hell, right? So they both have to be righteous, so the house become the paradise. It's very important. You are young, but you have to remember this thing, that when you are choose somebody for the marriage, either the boys or the girls, you guys have to bring some righteous woman. Okay, that should be the first quality. Okay, move to the second question, please.
So the second question for Safiya and Iqra is, the blessings of this dunya are A. permanent, B. blessings come with both problems, C. temporary as there is always a fear of losing them, or D. blessings are boundless?
C.
C. temporary as there is always, that's the correct answer. MashaAllah, Cambridge is doing very good. They got the 6 point. MashaAllah, excellent job. Cambridge, you are doing very good in this round up till now. Let's watch next round as well. Ghazis, you are ready?
Yes.
Okay, Isra, on you now.
Ready,
to
guys?
whom you want to start?
Yes. Okay, let's see. I can start with Adam and his pair first.
Nuruddin.
Nuruddin.
Okay.
Adam and Nuruddin, you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, computer, bring the first question, please.
Let's see what question we have for you. Okay, so your question is, Surah Anam takes its name from which verses? So there's 3 options. A is verse 136 to 141, B is verses 226 to 229, and C is verses 236 to 239. What's your answer?
Our answer is A.
Verses 136 to 141 is the correct answer.
Clutch in the chat.
That's not an easy question, I'm telling you. Because how many people really on the people who are watching are, you know that? I don't think so, you know that. See, our children, Gaza Ghazis, note this answer. So, I think so you are learning too. Don't forget, we have another exciting questions. Don't go away for just bringing for dates or pakora or something. Just focus on our program, and inshallah in few minutes when the iftar will be there, you will eat that. Now move on to the next question, please.
Okay, Ali and Momin, you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what question we have for you. So your question is, in Surah Al-Ma'idah, what is the Quranic term for the concept of seeking Allah's guidance and assistance in the right path? There's 4 options. A is Tawbah, B is Dua, C is Dhikr, D is Fatiha. What's your answer?
A.
A, Tawbah, okay. No, B is the Dua is the right answer. Oh, Gaza Ghazis, you lose a very 3 points. It's a very, and Cambridge, you have really a chance of winning this match. I can say that. I can see that. It's really very exciting. It's really very exciting. So, anyhow, let's good lucks, and let's see what they will do in the next round, because that's the round is also very important.
Yeah.
But you lose 3 points, and 3 points are very important, right? You know that, right? Okay. So now, Ibrahim, you want to go which team first?
I think we'll start with the Gaza Ghazis again.
Okay, Gaza Ghazi the same?
Yep.
Okay, so individual questions, and you want to start with?
Mu'min.
Momin. Okay, bring question number 1 with Momin, please, for Momin.
The first question is, where do Hajjis go from
Muzdalifah.
Muzdalifah? A. Hajjis go to Arafah. B. Hajjis go to Medina. C. Hajjis go to Minna. Or D. Hajjis go to Kaaba.
Two seconds.
D.
Thumbs up.
Huh?
D.
D? No, your answer is wrong. Hajjis goes to Mina. That's you lose another 2 point, Ghazis. No problem. Still you are in the match. Still not match is over. Okay. So now goes to Ali. Ali, you want to ask Ali?
No, I think we'll ask Adam.
Adam. Okay, go back to Adam. Okay, computer, bring the question for Adam, please.
So the question for you, Adam, is, what is prohibited in Islam? Give all the correct answers. A. Eating pork products. B. Drinking alcohol. C. Eating cow meat. Or D. Drinking Pepsi.
A and B.
A and B is the right answer.
But that was easy, bro.
Okay, so the next question with Nuruddin.
Yeah, I think I'll give it to Nuruddin.
Okay, Nuruddin, the next question is Nuruddin. Let's computer bring the question for Nuruddin, please.
Your question is, where was the last Quran chapter or surah revealed? A. In Medina. B. In Mecca. Or C. In Taif.
I would say Medina.
A. Medina? Okay. That's
In
right.
Medina, that's right. MashaAllah, that's the correct answer. You get another 2 points. Ali, all pressure's on you. So maximize it, your points, so you have another chance. I don't know how the Cambridge team will do in the second round. So bring a question for Ali, please.
The question is, how many Makki surahs are in the Quran? A. 56. B. 68. C. 86. Or D. 76.
B, 68.
B, 68 is the wrong answer. C, 86. Wow. That's what a difficult question. I also might not remember that how many there. You lose another valuable point of today's, right? And Cambridge, you have a great chance. You really have a great chance because you have all the answers, 6 points already in your account, and they have only 7 points. So you guys have a great chance to win this match. Okay, to whom you want to start, Isra?
I think I will start with Sophia.
Okay.
Okay. Sophia, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, let's see what question we have for you. Okay, so your question is, whose generation is known as Bani Israel according to the Quran? So you have 4 options. A. Prophet Ishaq. B. Prophet Yaqub. C. Prophet Musa. Or D. Prophet Isa.
B. Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam.
Okay, you got it
B,
right.
Yaqub alayhi salam. That's correct. MashaAllah. Excellent, Sufia. You are, mashallah, well prepared, I tell you already. You are doing excellent job. Okay, to whom you want to ask the next question, please?
Ikra, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what question we have for you. So, Ikra, your question is, what are the different names used for Satan or devil in the Quran? You have 4 options. A, jinn and ash-shayateen. B, iblis and ash-shayateen. C, jinn and iblis. Or D, dajjal and iblis. What's your answer?
Your time is up. You don't know answer?
B.
B? Your answer is B? Okay, let's see what the answer is. And it's B.
That's the correct answer. Iblis and Ash-Shaitan, mashallah, that's a correct answer. Excellent job. Excellent job.
Okay.
Mashallah. Let's go to the question number 3 with.
Sabiha, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Now all of a sudden Cambridge team become very excited, right? Okay.
So Sabiha, your question is, what is the significance of the Church of the Holy
Spuckler.
So you have 3 options. A, it is the place where Jesus was crucified, buried, and rose from the dead. B, it is the place where Jesus was crucified and buried. And C, it is the place where Jesus was crucified and rose from the dead. Bit of a trick question, but what do you think your answer is?
Very tricky question.
A is your answer?
Okay, let's see. B is the right answer, but your answer is wrong. So B is saying is that the Church of Holy Spuckler site has been recognized since early in the 4th centuries as the place where the Jesus was crucified, buried, and rose from the dead. So that's what the historical data is there. So remember that is important for information about the Jerusalem as well. So let's ask the question, last question.
Last question to Zakiya, okay? Zakiya, you ready for the last question?
Yeah.
Okay, so your question is, the Munafiqeen, also known as the hypocrites, had a disease of, so you have 4 options. Did they have a disease of the eyes, B, the mind, C, the heart, or D, the ears?
They had a disease of the heart.
They had the disease of the heart is the correct answer. Mashallah, Cambridge win this match. Very important 3-point, Cambridge. You got a very important 3-point, right? You're still alive in the tournament. I'm telling you, you're still alive in the tournament. All of a sudden, you don't know what's going on, right? And you are still hoping is still there. You are still in the match, still in the tournament, because the last 2 matches will decide who will goes into the semifinals. So let's hope for the best, and inshallah ta'ala, we are thinking that this is another exciting episode of Ramzan Quiz Voice. Inshallah, we will come back with another exciting episode of Ramzan Quiz Weeks tomorrow with my 2 moderators here, Isra and Ibrahim. Thank you very much for watching Toronto 360 TV Ramzan Quiz Weeks special transmission. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.